Let's talk about eye cream today, and I am here. Do you actually need an eye cream? What eye creams do? Myths and truth actually, and can you actually use eye cream with a dermaroller? This thing you will hear from absolutely like 99.9999% of dermatologists, estheticians, and anybody who know about skincare that you cannot mix vitamin C with retinol. And it is not true. You know why? Because I made it. Excuse my nails. I'm stressed lately. I just eat them. Like I eat everything when I'm stressed, but not food. So I made retinol and vitamin C products actually in one bottle. Retinol is great for those fine lines if you have, great for those crow's feet, great for any wrinkles, lines, or aging. And vitamin C, it's a powerful antioxidant that helps brighten and tighten and boost collagen production in your skin. And it's super antioxidant, so actually prevents that free radical damage into your skin. Free radicals are bad cells that come into your skin and destroys your skin DNA. So myth that you cannot use vitamin C with retinol together, but here is the thing that you need to know, guys, that actually not every product can be combined together. I have incredible chemists that actually made this work. It's totally fine. It is perfectly working together. It's not a high amount of retinol in this cream, but we do have it. And ingredients are 100%, absolutely 100% of ingredients are natural, and 75% of those ingredients are organic. Hello? Who doesn't want non-toxic eye cream, right? So I made maybe 4 or 5 years ago video on YouTube. Back then I told that you don't really need eye cream. You're totally fine. Take vitamin C cream that, for example, that I have, and use under your eyes and works perfectly. And that is true. But here's the thing. So many of us have different issues with eye area, right? Eye area has no fat, and eye area is the first area in your entire face that starts aging, and you notice aging signs, right? So what's happening when eye area doesn't have an oil glands, doesn't have any oil, if you're gonna be applying some other creams, it's not gonna give enough hydration. But for example, with this eye cream, because I do have really heavy moisturizers and oils, especially like shea butter, it hydrates your skin really intensively and goes in the deeper levels of your skin. Some people might be comedogenic to shea butter. Some people might not gonna be able to use oils. Some people, like someone with acne especially, they don't want to apply something heavy on the skin. So I have to formulate eye cream separately. Now, is it a myth that creams are exactly like ingredients are the same as a face cream and eye cream? Could be. Yes, could be, but in this case, I made a little bit more intense, a little bit more hydrating ingredients in this cream. Could I sell this as a cream? Probably not. Could I use this as an eye cream? Yes. This have a high possibility if you're gonna use on the entire skin that is going to break you out and clog your pores. Now, how to use eye cream correctly? This is very important, because I see people doing this. No. You apply, and what you want to do actually, now I a little bit apply too much, but you actually want to tap, and you want to tap with the ring finger, because she is the weakest finger in our finger collection, let's say that, and you want to just dab it. Another thing, you want to apply above your eyelid. Do you need to apply on your lid? No. With the heat, cream travels 2 to 3, sometimes even to 5 millimeters. So if you're gonna apply here, most likely eventually it's gonna go down. So you do not want to apply this, and you do not want to apply very close to next to the eye line, because cream is traveling and then you're gonna get in your eye, and you don't want that. What you want to do, you want to just dab it with this finger like this, tap, like this, or even like press it. Don't forget here, Why nobody's talking about applying eye cream over here? It is very, very, very important to apply all around your eye area. And you know what? I'm even applying above the brow over here, right here. Right here, dabbing, dabbing, dabbing. I can use all fingers here. And actually in the brow, if you can, don't have makeup at night, push in the brow because our eye is here. This is our eye area. Come on, this side looks already much better than this. So yes, retinol you can combine with vitamin C. Make sure this cream you use only at night. Only at night, because ingredients are kind of intense, retinol and vitamin C. You want to use only at night. Next day, make sure you use sunscreen. Can you use this together with Dermaroller? No. Do I use retinol with Dermarolling? No. Here is the thing. Some dermatologists are going to tell you yes, some dermatologists are going to tell you no. Why? Why I'm against? I'm leaning towards holistic and natural way where I know I'm not going to have possible, reaction. We all want to have a fast now, tomorrow results, but in the real world, the slower you do everything, the better results going to be. If you're gonna do this and Dermarol and you're gonna have a reaction, next day you're gonna call me and you're gonna blame me. I just have to be very, very careful. Now, if you use this together with Dermaroller on your own, Jen never told you and it's working for you, I am totally fine. Keep doing this, but I'm not gonna take responsibility if something happens that you fuck up your skin and Jen, why did you tell me to do this? I didn't. I never told you to use eye cream with Dermaroller. And if you do this on your own, do on your own. Do you use with Dermaroller? No. Could I do this? Yeah. And you can actually, I personally use, if you know your skin is not comedogenic, if you know your skin is not sensitive, if your skin, listen, if your skin is dry skin, you can apply this for the rest of the face. That works for me. It might not gonna work for you, but you have to be careful. Now, I have mentioned to you guys that I did reformulation on this cream. And yes, we did reformulation on this cream, but ingredients are staying the same. We did reformulation on the formula itself. So right now it blends much, much nicer. Smoother application, really great. We stabilize because some of you say, man, Jen, I don't like the smell. I don't like this. It kind of feels this and this and this and this and this. I listen to you. I listen, always to you. We reformulate, so nice application, blends in well, blend it smoothly, absorbs quickly. Before we had the issues, I'm always listening to you. I am here for you to help you guys. So if you really want something that is anti-aging, preventing aging, let's be real here. This is one thing that I always tell to everybody. No cream gonna transform you like Botox or plastic surgery does. So if you do not have time and you think skincare is a waste of money, go ahead and do Botox and do plastic surgery, whatever works for you. Benefit of this is preventing aging, slowing down aging. So when you're 45, you want to look like 45, you don't want to look like 65, right? Because these days everybody age really, really fast with what's happening, pollution, environment, foods, toxicity all over the place, 5G towers and EMF and everything like that is like literally everything is aging. Right now I'm sitting in front of you, I have a ring light in front of me and ring light is aging me. Like every millisecond of your life, if you spend with the wide screen in your face, is aging you. So main benefit is prevent aging. Also retinol and antioxidant vitamin, which is vitamin C, by the way, is a sodium ascorbyl phosphate. It is really strong and bioavailable form, but it's not sensitizing your skin and it's not irritating your skin and super stable. I am staying away from Ascorbic Acid because that is like super power strong, but also when it's strong, it's irritating. I have so many clients come to me, Jen, I was using Ascorbic Acid, it burned my skin, it happened this, it happened this. First of all, Ascorbic Acid oxidizes immediately. If you don't have it in the fridge and if you don't use in less than a month, forget it, it deoxidizes and actually this even damages your skin. If your vitamin C cream is yellow, throw away, it's wrong. That's why I use only sodium ascorbyl phosphate. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. It's really great prevention for aging. It's actually also brightening. As you see, guys, I do not have makeup right now, anything on my face, anything on my skin. I am really passionate about natural and holistic living. I do not have any Botox. I do not have any fillers. I did use before. I do not have any more. I just love myself the way I am right now. I'm aging gracefully. I'm 37 almost years old, and I am happy and passionate about all holistic ways of keeping my youth healthy. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave me down below if in the comment sections. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Bye.